Welcome to the Immigrants in the USA podcast, where we understand that the journey of moving to a new country is filled with both hope and challenges. As immigrants ourselves, we have experienced firsthand the excitement of starting anew while navigating the complexities of life in America. Our podcast was born out of a deep desire to offer support and guidance to others like us, those who are already living here or dreaming of making the leap. Each week, we share 3 thoughtfully crafted episodes that cover an array of essential topics, from understanding American education systems and exploring travel destinations to achieving professional success and mastering financial literacy. Our mission is simple: to empower you with valuable insights and practical advice as you chart your own path in this diverse land. Whether you're seeking tips on improving your English skills or looking for inspiration on how to thrive in your new environment, we're here for you every step of the way. Together, let's navigate this beautiful tapestry of experiences that define life as an immigrant in the USA. Welcome to the Immigrants in the United States of America podcast. For the next few months, our podcast episodes published on Mondays will include excerpts from Maestro Sersea's ebook, Steps to Achieving the American Dream, a guide for immigrants in the USA, to help you further understand, be more motivated, and thrive in the United States of America. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Welcome to Maestro Sersea's podcast, Immigrants in the USA, where we share helpful tips and insights to inspire immigrants to thrive and reach their American dream. In today's episode, we will listen to the ebook Steps to Achieving the American Dream, a guide for immigrants to the United States by Maestro Sersea, and will focus on Chapter 4 Financial Literacy and Wealth Building, including subchapters Investing for the Future, Building Wealth and Financial Security, and Entrepreneurship and Business Ownership. Are you ready? Let's begin. Chapter 4 Financial Literacy and Wealth Building. Investing for the Future, Building Wealth and Financial Security. Welcome, esteemed readers, to the world of investing. In this subchapter, I'm pleased to provide guidance on a journey that will unveil the secrets of financial stability and long-term wealth creation. As an immigrant myself, I understand the significance of securing a prosperous future, and investing is a fundamental element in attaining the American dream. Investing can appear intimidating and unfamiliar, particularly for those of you hailing from various cultures and backgrounds. However, with a comprehensive grasp of diverse investment options, risk management, and long-term wealth-building strategies, you can navigate this intricate landscape and pave the path towards a prosperous future. Let us commence our exploration by addressing the various investment options at your disposal. The realm of investments is expansive and diverse, offering an array of avenues to augment your wealth. Whether it be stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds, each investment option possesses distinct characteristics and profit potential. For instance, stocks represent ownership in a company and have the potential to yield substantial returns if wisely chosen. On the other hand, bonds serve as loans to corporations or the government, providing a fixed stream of income over a specified period. Real estate, a concept familiar to many, involves investing in properties, residential or commercial, with the expectation of capital appreciation and rental income. Mutual funds, meanwhile, pool capital from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio, minimizing risks and maximizing returns. Having explored the realm of investment options, let us delve deeper into the concept of risk management. Investing inherently involves some degree of risk. However, understanding and managing these risks will significantly enhance your chances of success. As the saying goes, never put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is pivotal to mitigating risks. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographical locations, you can safeguard your portfolio from unforeseen market fluctuations. Moreover, a clear investment strategy and timeline are crucial. Are you seeking short-term gains or long-term wealth accumulation? Defining realistic goals and aligning your investments accordingly will guide your decision-making process and help you stay focused on your ultimate objective. Long-term wealth-building strategies demand patience, discipline, and consistency. The magical phenomenon of compounding, where your investments generate returns on both the principal and previously earned interest, is a vital asset at your disposal. By initiating investments early and consistently allocating a portion of your income, you can harness the power of compounding and witness exponential growth in your wealth over time. Regularly reviewing and rebalancing your portfolio is equally crucial. As economic and market conditions fluctuate, certain investments may outperform, while others may underperform. Consequently, reassessing your portfolio on a regular basis enables you to make necessary adjustments and optimize your returns. Lastly, esteemed readers, it is essential to bear in mind that investing should be approached with thorough consideration and due diligence. Educating yourself on financial matters, seeking advice from trusted professionals, and continually expanding your knowledge in this domain are imperative. The journey towards financial security and wealth building is an ongoing learning process, but with determination and perseverance, you can overcome any obstacles and triumphantly achieve your American dream. In the subsequent chapter, we shall explore the significance of networking and cultivating robust professional relationships, as well as their pivotal role in advancing your career. Take heed, esteemed readers, as the key to your success lies within your grasp, and with each stride you take, you draw nearer to turning your dreams into reality. Entrepreneurship and business ownership. Commencing a business entails embarking on a courageous pursuit of the American dream. It signifies taking control of one's destiny and establishing a lasting legacy for oneself and one's family. Nevertheless, this pursuit is accompanied by its fair share of obstacles and uncertainties. The objective of this subchapter is to provide illumination on the path of entrepreneurship, offering insights and advice derived from my personal experiences and the successes of immigrant entrepreneurs who have come before. Firstly, prior to embarking on your entrepreneurial journey, it is imperative to construct a robust business plan. This plan serves as a roadmap, delineating your objectives, strategies, and financial projections. It not only allows for the clarification of your vision, but also attracts potential investors and lenders. This section will delve into the essential components of comprehensive business plan, encompassing market research, competitor analysis, marketing strategies, and financial forecasts. Practical templates and examples will also be provided to aid you in crafting your own compelling and comprehensive business plan. Once an adequately structured plan has been developed, consideration must be given to the various options available for financing your business. In the United States, several avenues can be explored, each with its own distinct advantages and disadvantages. Traditional options comprise applying for a loan from a bank or credit union, utilizing personal savings, or turning to family and friends for financial support. However, there are also alternative funding sources such as angel investors, venture capitalists, and crowdfunding platforms that present unique opportunities for immigrant entrepreneurs. This section will explore the pros and cons of each funding option, offering guidance on approaching lenders or investors, along with effectively pitching your business concept. While starting a business in the United States may appear intimidating, it is reassuring to know that a vast entrepreneurial ecosystem exists to support and guide you throughout your journey. The entrepreneurial landscape in the U.S. is teeming with resources, including business development centers, accelerators, and networking events. These resources not only provide mentorship and guidance, but also facilitate connections with like-minded individuals who can offer invaluable advice and potential partnerships. Drawing from my own experiences, I will share stories of successful immigrant entrepreneurs who have skillfully traversed this landscape to achieve their American dream. Furthermore, I will provide tips on how to effectively leverage these resources, enabling you to tap into a treasury of knowledge and expertise. Entrepreneurship is not an endeavor for the faint-hearted, but with the right mindset, perseverance, and guidance, it can evolve into a gratifying and enriching pathway towards realizing the American dream. The purpose of this subchapter is to equip you with the knowledge and tools necessary to navigate the opportunities and challenges that accompany the establishment of a business in the United States. I encourage you to embrace your entrepreneurial spirit, seize the possibilities that lay ahead, and inscribe your own tale of triumph in this land of boundless prospects. Together, let us embark on this journey towards the fulfillment of your American dream.
Thank you for listening to today's episode of our Immigrants in the USA podcast, where we understand that the journey of moving to a new country is filled with both hope and challenges. Join us again as we share 3 distinct episodes each week that cover an array of essential topics, from understanding American education systems and exploring travel destinations to achieving personal and professional success and mastering financial literacy. You are invited to also visit our official website for Immigrants in the USA at www.immigrantsinthe.us. Together, let's navigate this beautiful tapestry of experiences that define life as an immigrant in the USA.